Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to use Google Drive for photo storage. To use Google Drive for photo storage on Android, we have some steps for you. First, open Google Drive. Launch the Google Drive app by tapping on its icon on your Android device. Sign into your Google account. Ensure you are signed in with the Google account where you want to store photos. Tap the plus button. At the bottom right corner, tap the plus or add button or just new. Select upload. From the menu appears, choose upload to add photos from your device. Choose photos to upload. Browse your gallery or file manager. So I choose gallery, then choose the photos you want to upload. Tap open to start uploading. Once selected, tap open upload or the check button to begin the process. Create a new folder. To organize photos, tap the plus button again and just choose new folder. Rename your new folder, then hit create. Then upload the new photos here. Enable automatic backup. Open the Google Photos app. Tap your profile icon. Photo settings. Backup and sync. Then turn backup and sync on to automatically upload all photos to Google Drive. Access photos on other devices. Log into Google Drive on any device to view your stored photos. Shared photos from Google Drive. Tap the three-dot menu next to a photo, then choose Share, enter an email, and tap Send in the top right. Free up space on your phone. After uploading, you can delete photos from your phone to save storage. Organize and manage photos regularly. Rename, move, or remove photos in Google Drive to keep them organized. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.